Hello everyone. Today I will show you something amazing again. First of all, who I am and what I am right now showing to you. First, let's introduce me. Here, this is my website moneymet.xyz. I am owner of the moneymet.xyz and I am selling about different kind of courses, methods and working things. So let's check it out. First, I will show it to you GSA website contact, so you know how you can make money using this. This is the great software you can use to make money. Many affiliate marketers and many internet agencies using this kind of software, so they will make money from it, and you can use it too if you really wanted to make money faster. So when you search on the Google GSA website contact, you will go on the gsaonline.de. It's a German based website. They are selling this software right now, and what this software can do and how you can use it for your affiliate marketing and what leads or whatever you want to promote and you want to traffic on your website or on your video or whatever you want to sell or getting the leads, you can use this. Okay, so how this software work? First, here is the software, and you go and you can buy the software. Now also you can check the trial version as well. So what this software can do, the software will do this thing. The every website has a contact pages. Okay, so you can contact us by using name, email and messages. So if you hire a person and he will charge 15 300 to $400 monthly, and he need to submit it manually by providing your name, email and your message. In the message you can promote ClickBank offers, you can promote CPA offers, you can promote your own website, you can promote your client website as well. Whatever you want to promote, you will promote it here, and if the website owner is interested, he will buy from you or he will contact you. Okay, so this software can do, it's a auto mode, so it will submit thousands of contacts pages in a couple of minutes. Okay, you can try and check it out. Okay, it will submit thousands of websites in a couple of minutes, and you can get the thousands of traffic on your CPA, on your ClickBank offer, Zevizo offer, whatever you want to promote it, you will get the traffic from it and you will get the leads, and also you will make money using it. Okay, so this software can do two things. First, it will collect all the contact us pages like this. Just you need to put the keywords like make money online, or you want to promote a dental clinic, this kind of software, this kind of keyword you put in the software, and it will collect this kind of contact us pages in the different of website. Okay, every website has a contact pages. So if we but it will take time in the contact us pages, it will take like many things, time consuming and many more things. So what I am doing here, so here I am selling the contact us pages for you, and here is my GSA website contact verified fresh list I am selling right now. And first I will show it to you, and this is the 34 million. Okay, this is the 34 million websites contact us pages you will get from me, and you can promote your offers, CPO offers, ClickBank offers, whatever you want to promote, you will get the traffic on it. Okay, because there is different kind of niches is in there, so you will get 100% traffic and you will make money from it. Okay, you can check the video as well. Okay, the right now in the market, the 2 million, only 2 million website contact pages price is $200 to $300, and I am selling the 34 million contact pages at only I will show it to you, $300. Okay, but this $300 also many people contact me and said this is huge for us and I can't and we are unable to buy this much, we don't have this kind of, because we already buy the software and the price is for the software is not $500,000, it's only $100. You can start with that. So in the $100 you need website contact pages, so buy the software and you can buy the website contact links. But many clients arguing me that I don't have this kind of money, so I right now I just promoting this as a discounted period right now. The 34 million list you will get it right now, and you will get the 34 million list in the low prices right now. So right now you will get the 34 million website contact pages at only $160. Yes, my friend, you will get this only at $160. You can check online the price of the website contact list here as well. Now many people are selling this kind of list. I will show it to you that people are selling this website contact list and different prices. So when you go and check it out, people are selling this list. So you can buy it from them, but it will cost you high. Okay, so that's why I am selling it. And one more thing, that this is only a 100 bundle, so I already sold 2, only 98 left right now. Okay, after 98 finish, I will sell it at $300. Remember this, after 98 is gone, you will need to pay $300. Okay, so right now you need to, people are selling different kind of lists and different kind of prices right now. So here, as you can, I will show it to you that people is selling this kind of list at £50 to £100 or whatever they want to sell. So if you really wanted to make money, you need to invest $100 to buy the software, and the software you have for lifetime version, and also you have the this list, so you can use again and again to promote any kind of product or service you want to promote. You will promote it. And if you go on the YouTube, and I will show it to someone that he is making thousands of dollars, and I am also making it by using this software and this website list. And I already collect the list using different kind of VPSs and multiple VPS I am using on the multiple software. I will show you to someone that you can check it out. Chess Rainer, he is using this list and making good money from it. He's changed his channel name. It's right now Shinify. You can come and check it out, the Shinify name here, and you can check this account on the YouTube and you will know it. Okay, I will show it to you about the GSA website contact, and he also making thousands of dollars using it. This is the secret thing that people don't tell you about. That here is the complete guide. You can watch the video. He's making 10,000 using GSA website contact. Here 900 leads in last 12 hours. So this kind of stuff he is explaining, but he is selling the only 2 million contact us pages at $100, and I am providing you the 34 million website contact list at $160. Yes, you can check it out, and also you can check it out the Chess Rainer Shinify. You can check it out. Just go and search in the channel box GSA website contact. You will see all the video of the GSA website contact. Okay, you will see 10,000 emails. It means he submitted 10 million contact us pages. So you can check it out. Okay, so if you really wanted to buy this thing, you can come on my website moneymed.xyz. Okay, and you can Skype me or mail me. I will give you info about it. Here I will show it to you. You can come and mail me at info@moneymed.xyz, or you can also Skype me moneymetas 2019. You can come and check it out this as well. I will show it to you. Just wait a minute. Here you can come, and here is my email ID info@moneymed.xyz. Also you can Skype me here moneymetas 2019. Many scammers using my Skype ID, that's why here is I am providing. You can use this for, and the best way you can mail me here, so you will get all the info and direct link for the $160, so you can buy this list. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any kind of query, you can ask me on the Skype or you can mail me. Thank you.